Sir,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
so means you are selling the web application. So we'll be changing our brand after purchasing the reseller account.
Okay.
For example, this is a reseller program, right? So if you purchase your tool, we'll be changing our brand name.
Brand name.
White labeling has been, sir.
White label.
See, it is a tool, right? I am not putting my brand in whatever the website or application I am building. It's your tool. Like how you use AI tool to generate your application, you are using same Topiko. So Topiko will be no longer visible to any of your clients.
Okay.
It is a tool for you, not to the end client.
But the main concern is the landing pages and all those things. Landing page.
No, I took that request. Okay, immediately we'll rectify.
Because people are stuck in real estate.
I understood and I took that request and very soon I'll add that within no time. I promise you.
Okay.
Hello. Sir, yes, sir, again. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, we purchased your tool for building an mobile app or website, something. So once it is done, so how long it will be like, so we have to connect with you? Is it done or we can own that website and mobile apps forever?
Could you please? I didn't understand your question.
No, actually, see, we developed a website
Okay.
and a mobile apps
Using tool or your own?
using your tool only.
Okay.
Topiko. So after that, like how long we have to stay with you?
Stay with us in sense if you don't
Like
want
so
hosting and everything, you can.
we have purchased the license, like maybe it's for month or.
It is not for 1 month basically. So once you design a tool, like once you develop a application,
Okay.
that is valid for 365 days.
Okay, so 365 days. After 365 days.
After 365 days, there is a renewal charge for the hosting and Play Stores.
Okay,
If
so
you don't want, you can take back the code.
Okay, so we can take back the code from you. Okay, so we can able to main host.
So if you feel like it is cheaper than me, whatever the Topiko is charging me for the renewal of hosting and Play Store charges and App Store charges, I can get a better price than that.
Okay.
You are always free. We want to support you. Like we don't want to bind you with Topiko. I want to travel with all the resellers pan India for a longer tenure.
Understood.
So it's always a give and take.
Understood. The second question is like, so I have a concept, like, so I have built a different concept. It's a different into the market. So how safe it is? Like it is not copied by someone, someone else.
I answered this question we have a very stringent NDA that your concept or your ideas or your data will never be shared or used among other users. Unless and until the idea is from our company, it is publicly available for all the resellers. If your concept is unique and private, that will be to you only.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Please, sir.
My name is David, and I just have two questions.
Please,
One,
sir.
I
Very
came
well.
late. I'm sorry for it. I'm sure you've given a demo of this, so would you be sharing it with all of us on the WhatsApp or stuff?
We do.
Wonderful. And the other question that I have, obviously, this would you be selling it to anyone and everyone, or would you be doing a B2B kind of stuff?
It's only for the IT development companies and digital marketing companies.
I hope you understand the question, because today I buy it, tomorrow the firm that I am working for will buy it on its own. So there's a conflict of interest, I feel so.
Could you please come again? I didn't understand. Suppose you are XYZ company.
Yeah,
Okay.
I use it
You
too.
purchased like you are using Topiko tool.
Yeah,
Okay. There is a ABC company.
yeah,
So you are asking me that are you going to sell to ABC also?
yes.
Of course, yes. It's a tool, right?
So there is
Because
a
it's not a
chance.
proprietary. Like you only can build that. Like now AI can be used by anyone. WordPress can be used by anyone. So the biggest, like our main motive is to reduce your time cost, because everyone has their own individual market. They have their own customer space. They have their own contacts to do business, because all the people, including our company, we are doing business since so many years, and we are getting our customers, right? This tool may help you to concentrate more on getting market rather than wasting or like not, I can't say waste is the wrong word, I'm sorry for that, spending more time with your team. So the concept is only that. We just want to give you a free hand from the iteration. We want to mitigate your development time. We want to mitigate your development expenses. So that is the main reason. There is no kind of exclusive reseller program or something like with Topiko. It is for everyone who is interested, but the only request what we are doing is we won't sell this to individuals. We sell only to IT development companies because they can't even understand the value of this application if I sell this to an individual. And I don't get any feedback. I think I answered your question.
Yes, you did. Thank you.
So any more questions, please?
Sir, shipping integration.
Do you also integrate Google tags? I'm not talking about the Google Analytics, but the Google tag. For example, if I want to track a valid conversion from a particular page, if a user submit a form and if he visits a thank you page, I'll consider it as a valid conversion. Okay, so for that I need a code. I'll get the code from Google Tag Manager and I ask my developer to update it on the website. Either we will have a plugin on WordPress, just with the one code I can update
It's
it.
again another line of script that you want to add in the header part of the application.
Yes,
right?
head and the body part.
So see, all those are like pretty much straight away, right? So if you have requirement and if it is a general one, we'll add that. It can be put as an optional. Like if
There the developer need to involve, right? There the developer need to involve to update the code on the website.
No, not on the website. So like the inputs what you have seen. So you want to get the code, you need a developer or to?
Actually, we'll get the code, ID from Google Tag
That's what I'm
Manager.
saying. So if you have the code, I'll give you an input box for you where you can paste it. The moment you say build the application, it will take that to its position and it will give it to you. See, these are all inputs. Inputs can be added any number to the application and the placement has to be understood. So like he said the Facebook pixel, right? It is a kind of JavaScript that Facebook is providing to understand or to read the particular website by using their own algorithms. Same way, the Google Tag, whatever you are saying, they are providing you a JavaScript to understand your activity by using the Google algorithm. So here, our application has nothing to do, it just has to paste your given code to a specific position. It can be easily done.
Okay, either it can be through a code or either it can be through just ID.
So
because on
it
WordPress
has
we have a
to
plugin,
be-
Google Tag plugin. Easily I can
I'll-
update my code there.
I'll explain you. If it is by just ID, so my system should predefinedly create that entire code and just inculcate your ID into the specific position. That is one part, right? In that scenario, the biggest problem that may occur if some other people are creating the same kind of template or using the same kind of tool, for them if the ID is null, right? Because they are not using any ID for that particular code.
No, ID, the Google Tag Manager will give the ID. That's very unique to everyone.
No, what I am trying to explain is, okay, you said I only give ID, so the entire code has to be generated by the tool is a little bit problem because for your requirement you have a Google Tag Manager ID. Suppose for my requirement I don't have ID and I don't know what it is, right? This null value in the code might give me some problem while my code is running. So the better way what we do is you can copy the entire script from your Google Tag Manager and paste it in the input box and say, I need this. It can be placed on a specific placeholder by giving you the required result.
Okay, you'll be giving options to.
Yeah, can be done.
Thank you.
One more question from my side.
Please.
Yeah, I'm a Flutter developer, Flutter and Dart
Yeah,
developer,
okay.
Android and iOS app. What if a developer wants to use your on behalf of my company? My company has to purchase
You are using Flutter.
Flutter.
Okay, so you don't want to move from Flutter or
No. What if I want to use your Topiko tool to
you don't need
develop?
a developer. You don't need any developer. The system will generate
So my company has to purchase your Topiko to use this
tool. Yeah, tool you have to use. It is not purchasing. It is a dashboard where you can update your wallet and use whatever the application you are giving. So Vijay will give you all those commercial information. So he is the right person to give you the commercial information like what is the cost, how it will get you benefited, how you can grow your business by using the tool in terms of commercial terminology.
individual developer cannot use your tool, like you cannot purchase or individual developer.
As of now, we don't have such plan.
Okay.
Because individual developers might not be the right persons for us.
Okay, thank you.
At least, sir, any more? Any questions?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
If client comes and integrations like CRM integration or integration in their application for online stores, is that possible?
In your perspective, are they providing or are they exposing any APIs to integrate their existing CRMs to the current application?
Yes.
Okay, and what kind of data that it comes? See, again, it's a specific case. Okay.
They have a contact for
Yeah.
and want that contact to be updated in the CRM, or they are orders should be trackable for the end user.
Dimensional or single dimensional? So they want side from that side to this side and this side to that side, or it is just fetching the data and putting it back to their application. See, basically, these kind of companies will always be a two-way prospect.
Yeah, if it is to CRM, it would be two-way, and if it is shipped, it will be one-way.
Yeah. So anything can be possible if the existing application what they are using will expose us an API. So anything is possible. Yeah, please,
Gautam,
sir.
Mike.
Can someone
See, if I am developing using a Wix or WordPress or Shopify, somebody will look into that, they'll go into the code, like backend, out source code, and they can find that how that is built. Easiest. If I am using a Topiko, if one of my client knows how to see the source code, like with Control U, any browser, so will you be placing any kind of such kind of a things in the backend so those people will know that this is used a tool to build the site?
No.
No.
Because it is not CMS.
That's good. Okay. Thank you.
So they can see a plain HTML as the application have been built in build tools like Angular and React. So they can't see what language it is, but they can see the HTML code, which nobody can avoid.
Very generic code.
Yeah, and user will never find any specific like token.
Thank you.
So hope everyone is clear about what we are trying to. Please.
I have a final question.
No, it's not final. You can ask. I'm here to answer it.
I wanted to know whether we can add third-party links and social media links to websites.
Social media links, yeah, happily you can. All social media links to your website.
Third-party links?
Third-party links in what sense?
We want to redirect, we want to place links and...
Backlinks, you are saying backlinks?
Yes.
For SEO purpose?
Yes.
Can be done.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
So hope I am clear. Once again, thank you everyone for being here. I hope I have given you ample information, and we are always open to answer any questions. I think you all have our numbers. You can contact me anytime for any kind of application. So now, thanks a lot once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you all. Thank you all for being part of this insightful session on how no code is transforming website and app development. I hope this discussion has given you a clear understanding of how powerful and accessible no code solutions can be, enabling innovations for everyone regardless of technical expertise. However, understanding the technology is just the beginning. Now let's explore how you can apply these solutions to your business, unlock new opportunities for growth and efficiency. To guide us through this, it is my privilege to invite our business head, Mr. Vijay, an esteemed IIT graduate who will share valuable insights into how our no-code solutions can drive innovation, streamline business operations. Let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Vijay Kumar.
Thanks, Ramya. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Thanks, Ramya and Kiran, for giving a wonderful section. And before starting and discussing like March, commercials and all those things, I am also faced many issues with the developers and getting a product into the live and the pain problems and all this if you have seen it. And before going into this part, I would like to just give an example of which we have been recently. In the beta version of this product only we thought of why can't we test it. So let's test this, and there we are now. We got an inquiry from a UK-based company, and we would like to state the company URL itself. Any results.gold, and you can check this website and this screen. So can you scroll down please? Yeah. So I would like to ask you guys, like how much time you have you taken this for building this application for this website? So anyone can answer. Anyone from audience?
Yeah, usually in my team, like it takes around 1 week, like because of it depends on the client.
Yeah, 1 week. Okay. Any other? 1 day. 2 weeks, 1 day. Yeah, 1 day. Okay. 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 days. 2 days or 2 minutes? Yeah, making a live. I'm not saying about design. It's making a live. Making it live. Yeah. 1 week. 1 week. Yeah. Next. Next, anyone? So now I would like to present the customer. I called him here. Mr. Krishna, and we made live this within less than 10 hours. So this is. I would like to have his feedback. Yeah. Go the mic, please.
Hi, good evening all.